Hello friends, it's day 3 means trekking to Baba Kedarnath. Let's trek with us. It's 4 a.m. now and we are leaving Guptkashi and reached Gaurikund. At say 7 a.m. we started trekking. Jai Mahakal. Look at the beautiful nature. Look at the vibes. Vibes to trek via beautiful hills. Look at the beautiful hills, sun rays. If you want to experience and capture the beauty in your eyes, then trekking is on you. You have to trek. Thank you for being with us. Please like, follow, subscribe, and share as much as you can. Stay tuned for day 3, part 2.